If you're low on iron, make this soup at least once a month. It's basically a powerhouse full of nutrition. Super easy to make and freezes well too. Let me show you how to make 15 bean soup.
Powerhouse of nutrition is no exaggeration. So let's take a closer look at the nutrients in this high iron 15 bean soup.
First, pour out your beans. You're going to sort through them looking for any rock, stick, or funky beans. Then you need to wash them. My go-to is a smoked turkey leg. It's just a lot lighter than hammy hockeys. Once clean, set aside, and now it's time to start our vegetables. Mustards, turnips, and collards. Lay them all down and roll them up just like this. This makes it easy to cut everything into long strips. Add your beans into the crock pot along with the Holy Trinity and the Pope. Add all of your greens. The provided seasoning packet, it's super delicious, I recommend using, along with a good amount of onion and garlic powder, some smoked paprika, and Tony's no salt added. The best part about no salt added is you can add as much as you want because it's basically flavor without the sodium. Also black pepper. Don't forget the black pepper, also a stick of butter. It is very important that you add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and then you add your 8 cups of water. Cover and cook this on low for 8 hours. Once done, go ahead and let it cool off. And now we need to remove the bones. Don't forget to give yourself a little snack though. There's a lot of these thin little bones, so make sure you check through it thoroughly. Now you're going to do a salt test. If you need more salt, add it. If not, great. Pour yourself a nice big bowl. Make sure you add some Louisiana hot sauce. This is Trappy's. Serve it with cornbread and you have the most delicious, amazing, nutritious dinner.
And per serving, you are getting 49 grams of protein and 19 grams of fiber. Over 500% daily value of vitamin A. Enough of that is coming from vitamin A precursor carotenoids, so you don't need to worry about it being too much. Nearly 300% daily value for vitamin K. Over 100% daily value for vitamin C and folate. Around 90% daily value for vitamin B6 and manganese. 84% daily value for iron and selenium, and at least half of the daily value for vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, copper, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. An absolutely spectacular amount of nutrition for around 500 calories. Which is why when you crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density, you end up with a Nutrivore score for this 15 bean soup of 1,014. To put that number into perspective, any food with a Nutrivore score higher than 150 is contributing more nutrients than calories to our overall diet. And this soup is coming in at about 7 times that threshold. Not too many powerhouses of nutrition live up to that name, but I think this one does. If you see any recipes you'd like me to analyze, feel free to tag me in them. And if nutrient-dense meals like this are intimidating and you would appreciate a structured program to improve your diet quality without going on a diet, then check out my Nutrivore 90 online course. It is 3 months of habit stacking to improve diet quality while quitting diet mentality.